Hello, students and future engineers. Here is an example on analyzing uh, an indeterminate beam by three moment equations. So compute the reactions at A, EI is constant, then analyze by three moment equations. So by principle, since A is fixed, we have to extend it, replace A by an interior pin, and the extension also A prime is an interior pin at the same level as A, B, and C. And the length of A prime A is about 0. So apply three moment equations in A prime AB. So we have moment at A prime 0 plus 2 times moment at A, quantity length of A prime A which is 0 plus length of AB which is 6 divided by 1 divided by I, which is just 1, plus moment at B times 6 over 1. Then plus 6 area 1A over E1, I1, L1. Since there's no load on A prime A, it is just 0. Plus 6 area 2B over E2, I2, L2. It consists of trapezoidal loading, and we divide this trapezoidal loading into rectangular loading and triangular loading. The intensity of the rectangular loading is 18 kilonewtons per meter, and it covers the entire span AB. And the intensity of the triangular loading at A is also 18 kilonewtons per meter, which is 36 minus 18. So for the uniform rectangular loading, it is 18 WL cube over 4. Then we divide it further by 1 because on portion BC later, moment of inertia is 1.25. Then for the triangular loading, since the centroid is here and we consider 6 area 2B over E2, I2, L2, so the centroid is farther from B, therefore it is 8 over 60 by formula 18 L cube 6 cube over moment of inertia, which is 1. Then equals 0 because A prime, A, B are supports, so the horizontal reference line at A crosses A prime and B. So that's why the right side 6EI HA prime over length plus HB over length would be 0. So simplifying 12 MA plus 6 MB equals negative 1490.4. So call that equation 1. Then we apply three moment equations on A, B, C. And we note that the moment at C is negative 15 times 2 times 1. So it is negative 30 kilonewton meter. So setting up equations for ABC, moment at A times length 6 over I1 plus 2 times MB, quantity 6 over 1 plus BC, which is 8 divided by I 1.25 plus moment at C, which is negative 30 times 8 over 1.25, then plus 6 area 1A over E1 I1 L1 for the portion AB. It consists of rectangular and triangular load. Again, for the rectangular load, WL cube over 4 over moment of inertia 1. So 18 6 cube over 4 over 1. Then for the triangular loading, the centroid is closer, so it is 7 over 60, 18 6 cube over moment of inertia 1. While for 6 area 2B over E2 I2 L2 for portion BC, it consists of two loadings. There is rectangular loading here, which is partly covering the span BC, which we compute by integration. And we have a couple load, which can be computed by using the formula. For this loading here, so I choose this as x, therefore this is 18 minus x, the b. So integral of differential p, which is 18 dx, the area of the strip, then b, which is 8 minus x, all over L, which is 8, all over I, which is 1.25, then quantity L square, 8 square minus B square. So that's the formula. Then B is 8 minus X quantity square. For the 90 kilonewton load, it is equal to moment over L, then divided by I, then quantity 3 times B square, 3B square, so 3 times 2 square, the distance of the 90 kilonewton load from the right is 2, O minus L square, which is 8 square. So again, moment over L, 8, moment of inertia 1.25, then 3b square minus L square. Then we equate to 0 because again, we consider supports A, B, and C that do not settle, so the right side is just 0. The value of this term is negative 192. This combined terms 1425.6, this integral 1036.8, and this value here is negative 468. So simplifying, we have 6 MA plus 24.8 MB. Transpose all these values to the right, so we have negative 1802.4. So 192 plus 468 minus 1036.8 minus 1425.6, that's negative 1802.4. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we obtain moment at A negative 99.952 kilonewton meter and the moment at B negative 48.495 kilonewtons meter. Then, since we also compute the, aside from the moment reactions, which is negative 99.952 at A, which is verified because we solved this by superposition method or energy method in the preceding topic. So summation moment A equals 0. The direction of moment at B is, because it is negative 48.495 is clockwise, take note. So counterclockwise, just the right of B. So take note, this is clockwise. So RA times 6, which is clockwise, summation moment B, plus moment at B, which is 48.495, equals moment at A, which is counterclockwise because it is negative 99.952 plus moment of the uniform load 18 times 6 times 3 plus moment of the triangular load 1/2 of 6 times 18, 2/3 of 6 is 4. From here, we can compute RA 98.576 kilonewtons upward. So that's it for this sample problem video by applications of three moment equations. I hope that you were able to understand and follow the solutions.